Right, boys. Come on. There's some young birds and bred this year. As you can hear, some of them have only gone in here the last 2 days, so still squeaking. Come on. Some lovely grizzle pigeons here this year. Some nice bones. See who's here now. Little hen in the corner. She's a cross Sheffield, cross Bowden. Come on, look at this. Come on, come on. This is the top nestling civet. Got some lovely prints. Say from last time I spoke to you all, I think he had 8 going out and I lost 2. They'd been up about 3 times. I think the 4th time put them up. They didn't get no higher in the trees. The sparrowhawk was waiting for them. Took one of the prints. Next day it scattered them and obviously I lost one. I could see it flying around for a few days but I just couldn't get it in. It was too high. But I've got 6 that are going out for about 2 hours at a time now. In the clouds, really high. Really nice. And there's another 6 that are just sitting on the loft. Obviously at a separate time than the other 6. And then there's another 4 that's just gone in here today, which is these white ring pigeons with the white rings on as well. Just so I can see who's who, I'll put these rings on. But yeah, going alright, got some really nice birds, well happy with them. See that really nice grizzlies here, lovely colours. You can see there's a few cocks here already. Come on, behave. Come on. Lost this red grizzle over here. Lost it for about 2 days. She went when they got scattered. She came back. Also the prince at the back there, the hen. She went a couple of days. Came back. So there's a few of them had a night out. And red mottle there as well. A night out. Since then, they haven't got a foot wrong, flying really well, straight onto the kit box and straight in. Alright, come on, speak. Giving them a bit of conditioning seed, just sort of hand feed them all night, just give them a little bit, get them really tame. I'll just go in the stock loft and show you what we've got. We've got 2 up here, 2 nice prints. They're about 12 days old now. Just put some bowls in today. These are going to go down again. We're going to pot egg all of them. Because what you can see now is that's my last. I've got 10 youngsters in here. Well actually I've got 8 youngsters and 2 eggs, due to hatch. The eggs are off the Bowden crosses, so I'm just waiting for them. And then I'll obviously put them across when they're ready. Some really nice grizzles here. These are throwing out some really funny colours we haven't seen before. Something a bit different, isn't it? We've got some, I just ring these today, they're about 6 days old and they're quite big, so I've had to put the rings on. I could hardly get them on. Alright, so say these are eggs. The juice will go any day these now, so they're producing really nice youngsters, so well happy with that pair as well. Put a bowl in here as well today. The juice will go again. Got a black mottle and a red mottle in here. And if you can see the crops on these, they're so fat. Such good parents, these ones, this box 4. Really nice, really good they are. So I'm not doing any more, I've ended up with, I'll have about 26. Obviously I'm going to lose a few and see what happens along the way. But the birds have all been fine breeding, I've had no dud eggs. Straight from the start, all the birds have been fine. So I know my feeding's right and the medication's right before we start breeding, and all that's spot on now. It's just I've got like a little forest behind my house and it's a sparrowhawk in there. So as I'm training them on top of the loft, it's trying to take them off the loft. So that's what's happening this year anyway. But I'm going to sort that out. I'll be dealing with that. Alright lads, just thought to give it a quick look. Catch you all up. Take care.